Sydney Sweeney recruits her German Shepherd puppy for a cameo in new American Eagle campaign. The actress and in-demand brand partner helped design the Sydney Jean with 100% of net proceeds donated to crisis text line, a free mental health support and crisis intervention phone line. Sydney Sweeney has great genes. That is the tagline of a new fall 2025 American Eagle campaign that debuted this morning, starring Sydney Sweeney wearing, you guessed it, a variety of denim. The actress even recruited her new ISH German Shepherd puppy Sully for a cameo. As the face of campaign, Sydney Sweeney will be seen on some 3D billboards across the United States, on which she will interact with passers-by, as well as on one of the most prominent locations in Las Vegas. On the exterior of Sapiro, there will also be a Snapchat lens for which Sydney Sweeney will speak directly with users in addition to a one-enabled try-on technology, so customers too can have great jeans. Also under the deal, AE will promote an edit of Sydney Sweeney's favorite pieces for shoppers to peruse online and in stores. But the collaboration runs deeper than modeling. American Eagle wears Sydney Sweeney collaborated with the design team to create a new hero product for fall. The Sydney Jean, a limited run of the popular Dreamy Wrap franchise. The jeans are embroidered with a butterfly to represent domestic violence awareness, in line with the design. 100% of net proceeds from the jeans will be donated to Crisis Tax Line, a non-profit that provides free and confidential text-based mental health support and crisis intervention, and is said to be a meaningful cause for Sydney Sweeney. There is something so effortless about American Eagles. Sydney Sweeney says it is the perfect balance of being put together but still feeling like yourself. Their commitment to creating pieces that make you feel confident and comfortable in your own skin is something that resonates with me. It is rare to find a brand that grows with you the way American Eagle has for generations. They have lately been there with me through every version of myself. Added American Eagle President and Executive Creative Officer Jennifer Foyle, innovative fits and endless versatility reflect how our community wears their denim, mixed, matched, layered, and lived in. With Sydney Sweeney front and center, she brings the allure, and we add the flawless wardrobe for the winning combo of ease, attitude, and a little mischief. The campaign, designed to look editorial and intimate, marks the latest collaboration between Sydney Sweeney and her stylist Molly Dixon, who also works with Lana Del Rey. Kaki Palmero, Sadie Sink, Rihanna Greenblatt, Camila Mendes, and others. Anchor in denim, AE reinforces its authority in the category with a first-time presence on the Exospiro of Spiro in Las Vegas, building on the campaign's cheeky energy. The rollout will be supported by innovative media strategies that push boundaries and capture attention, including 3D billboards where Sydney Sweeney will interact directly with passerby, a Snapchat lens where she speaks directly with the Snapchatters, and even enabled a try-on technology so customers too can have great jeans. Where Sydney Sweeney remains an in-demand actress and producer. The 27-year-old has emerged as one of the busiest brand partners in Hollywood. Over the past year or so, she has collaborated with Mio Mio, Jimmy Choo, Armani Beauty, Kira Stace, Lenny Gee, Samsung, Baskin, Robbins, Hellmann's, Mayonnaise, Dr. Scotch, Hey Dude, Bye, and more. More looks from Sydney Sweeney's American Eagle campaign are below. Sydney Sweeney next stars in a biopic about boxer Christy Martin, the housemaid opposite Amanda Seyfried, and the new season of Euphoria. Thank you for watching Showbiz International News. Please subscribe Showbiz International News for updating news and more informations.